Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to track your period on MeetYou. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then tap on the second icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see a calendar of the actual month. You can swipe left to see the previous month or right to see the next month. There are different colors in this calendar. The dark pink squares show the days of your period. The light pink squares show the predicted period. Where the days are written in purple, it means that you are fertile those days. And the little purple flower shows the day of your ovulation. You can set your period by tapping on the day when it started. Tap on yes at the start period section. Your period is set now, and this is how you can track your period using this calendar. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!